Hi, I'm Melissa West. Welcome to Change Your Pain, the Learn to Stretch series. I am going to show you a stretch for the front of the hip flexor area, and across down into the front of the thighs. And I'm going to do it today in a standing position. I know there's some people that have difficulty getting down onto the floor, either because of injury or different types of pains or conditions. So I want to give you the option to be able to stretch these muscles in a standing position as well. So the first way to do it is to have something that you can hold on to. Otherwise, you got to have some really good balance, which is fine. If you have the balance and you don't need something to support you, that's okay. And then again, it's all about posture. You'll notice whenever you watch any of my stretches, it's about posture and breathing as you're doing it. So up really tall, drop the shoulders down, and then we're going to start with the right leg. So I'm going to put my weight onto the left leg. I'm going to give that left thigh muscle a little bit of a squeeze, so I'm going to activate that left thigh muscle. And I'm also going to make sure that this left knee is not locked out or hyperextended. So we're going to keep a little bit of a bend in that left knee. And just a micro bend, so you can feel it, but I wouldn't be able to see it. And then we're going to take the ankle, wrap our hand around the outside of the ankle on the right leg, and bring our knees as close together as we can as we pull that ankle towards our butt. Now this can be difficult for some people because we don't have the flexibility. Work towards it. If your knee is out to the side like this and your knees aren't together, just work towards getting those knees together. So you want to have them like they're glued together. And then work towards also getting your heel towards your butt. And you have to give a little bit of a pull there to get that heel up. Now the next thing you want to do to really intensify the stretch through the front of the thigh and across the front of the hip is lift the chest. Draw the belly in very gently to the spine, gently, and then squeeze the buttocks. So really squeeze your butt. And again, that's going to tilt the pelvis under, and that's going to give you more stretch. Now as you squeeze your butt, you're going to notice your knee wants to come forward. Don't let the knee come forward. Keep that knee back. As you get more flexible, you can bring the knee back a little bit more behind the other knee. But right now, just try and focus on getting those knees together, getting your heel towards your butt, and squeezing your butt and lifting tall. And then we're going to hold for at least 30 seconds to a minute, breathing and relaxing throughout, and keep the muscles squeezing. So the left thigh is squeezing, the buttocks are squeezing, and we're breathing and we're holding and we're feeling the stretch through the front of the hip and thigh, and breathe. Very slowly when you're ready, you want to let go of that ankle and just give everything a little bit of a shake. And then you can try the other side, and if you need to, turn around for support, whatever you're using for support, and go into the same position on the other side, knees together, squeeze your butt, drop your shoulders, lift your chest, belly in, and breathe. Nice and long and tall. You can do this throughout the day, as many times really as you like. Probably 2 or 3 times is a great way to do it, to keep things nice and stretched out. And breathe and relax. If you're having a problem getting your hand around your ankle, that's just too extreme for you, or you just can't reach that ankle, you can grab onto your pants like that and hold on to your pants to get your ankle up. And maybe it doesn't come as far, that's fine. Just work on getting the knees together and squeezing the butt, and you'll start to feel a stretch. The other option is to take a chair or do it in front of the couch and put your heel up on the chair, or your toe, up on the chair, like so. And then try and get the knees together, and then you might have to have something else to hold on to and support yourself. Same things apply. Lift the chest, draw the belly in, squeeze your butt, and then just feel that stretch. Try and get your knees together as well. So there's a few different ways to make this work for you. You have to find out what does work for you and what your limitations are, and work with your practitioners to modify the stretches as you need to. Thank you for joining me today.